I am setting up the VM based on the specifications. Launching the VM. We are now installing Windows 22 Server. During installation, we partition the space of 100 GB to 60:40 GB and choose 60 GB for the Windows OS. Installation of the Windows OS progressing can be skipped by going to 1.50 seconds. Setting up the server by first creating an account as administrator. First, we configure the domain name and the network address. We navigate to the Advanced Network setting and click on the Change Adapter option. Right-click on Ethernet and then press Properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4 and then follow as shown in setting up the network address. Install the domain services by following how it is being shown. After installation is completed, open Active Domain Services and select Add a new forest and add the domain, and in my case my domain is s112211040.com, and proceed with how and rest as followed. Add a password of your own, and after everything is set up and done for the domain, your VM will be restarted again. Now we will be creating the student and ICT admin organizations. First, navigate to Tools, select Active Directory Users and Computer, then select the domain you created and right-click on it, and then choose Organization and create the student and ICT admin organizations. Now, within those organizations, add a student user and an ICT admin user. Now we are setting up the student policies that will restrict users from performing some actions within student organization. Now we have to enable those by going to the command terminal as administrator and typing pupdate, and press enter and wait for the policies to be updated. Now we are resetting the student user's password through the server manager. Now we are creating the student group and the ICT admin group in their respective organizations and adding the members or users to the respective group. Now we are extending by 20 gigabytes by shrinking our 60 gigabytes disk by 20 gigabytes. We are configuring the virtual memory to use 2 GB for page caching. After finishing the setup, the virtual machine will again be restarted. Now we are to perform RAID implementation, and for that we have to first add 3 disks under the controller SAS. The 3 disks added are shown as unallocated with space of 10 GB. Now we are making the storage pool where we will use those 3 disks added before for the storage pool. Creating of the virtual disk, selecting the Create Storage Pool. The layout chosen is parity, which is for RAID 5. We associated the it with letter S. BitLocker driver encryption first needs to be enabled by directing yourself to the local group policy editor and enabling the policy which will be shown. BitLocker is not shown here, meaning you would have to enable or download it through the terminal or command line of Install Windows feature BitLocker, include all sub-features, include managementals, restart, and after the download is done the VM will restart and the BitLocker setting should now be available. Follow as shown for setting up the BitLocker.